Hi, I'm Gordon from Camera Labs, and this is a very quick look at the Fujifilm XF 18-120mm f4, a general purpose zoom for X-mount mirrorless cameras, and the first XF lens to feature a motorized zoom. Mount it on an X series body and it'll deliver a 27-1 80mm equivalent range with a constant f4 aperture. Announced in May 2022, it costs $899 and I had a brief chance to try it out at the XH2S launch event. It has two free spinning rings, the first for focus and the second to zoom, followed by a spring-loaded rocker switch that can be configured to adjust the zoom or focusing at different speeds. And here's how the motorized zoom looks while filming video on the XH2S using the motor-assisted zoom to adjust the focal length. This was filmed handheld using IBIS for stabilization on a pre-production XH2S body. The lens measures 77 by 124mm, weighs 460 grams, has internal zooming, a 72mm filter thread, linear focusing motors and weather sealing, although there's no optical stabilization. It's expected to go on sale in September 2022. And that's it for this very brief look. I told you it was going to be short, but do let me know if you'd like me to make an in-depth review of it when a final production model is available. Oh, and as a quick tease, I also believe there's going to be a new XF 56mm 1.2, although I don't know what's changed. It might only be with weather sealing now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.